Hey Marie, I thought I'd make you a short video to help describe a task that you're going to need to do for me. And this is based on Google My Business or Google GMB optimization. This is a really important task I need you to be doing on a consistent basis. I have a large number of Google My Business pages, and this will be the process that I need you to follow. So I want you to watch this carefully. I'm going to provide you with all these instructions, of course, but everything's going to be spelled out for you, okay? And the number one thing I want you to realize too, this is really important, whenever you're working on a GMB listing, like one of these, okay, make sure that if you're in the info area, I'll just go into the info area for a second, that you're very careful about making any changes to the business name, the phone number, or the services and so forth, okay? Because that may well cause a listing to become suspended. Okay, so we need to be very careful that you don't make any changes like that. Now, I know you're probably not going to do that, but I thought I'd just mention it anyway. All right. Okay, so there are two things that I'm going to need you to do with my GMBs. This is what you need to do first. You need to go through these steps, okay? First steps in optimizing, do this first. Step number one, add 9 posts to the GMB, okay? So what you'll need to do is source maybe a 400 or 500 word article that's related to the topic of tree removal for this one, okay? Or tree lopping, or just tree care, anything that may be related. Now, there's lots of information here about keywords. And you can get everything you need in terms of, all the terms and so forth that you can write articles about. There's a ton of information on this sheet that I'm about to give you, okay? So that's step number one, add 9 posts. Step 2 is to publish the business.site, which is a business page. And if you look at here, you go to website. I'm in the GMB listing. You go to website, and this is where you create the site. And then you go edit, okay? And that's where you can set the button. Set the button either to make appointment or call now. This is where you add the URL of the link that you want to link out to. That's where you edit the headline, the description, summary header. You can put summary body. You can put a big article in here. So that's pretty much how you fill in the information in here. Now, in addition to that, okay, and obviously step number 3, fill out the GMB description. In most cases, the GMB description will already be filled out, so don't pay too much attention to that one. Then step number 4, you need to add at least 9 pictures or more to the GMB page, right? And what I need you to do, you can download and use the pictures that are already on the website, or you can find them, okay? But it's important that you give them keyword-rich file names, and you geo-tag the images for the location that this site is for. So, for example, this site is for Ipswich in Queensland, right? So make sure that each one of those are geo-tagged for Ipswich in Queensland. Make sure that the actual image files are named with keywords like this: tree loppers, tree removal, tree service, land clearing, tree trimming, right? You got that? Okay. Use related keywords in the content, and use them especially in the posts, okay? So I've got a ton of keywords and related keywords that can be found within this file that I will send you, so you'll be able to find all that information, but just be mindful of that. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. Don't worry about this. This is for something else, okay? So just disregard this. The second thing you need to do is follow these instructions in completing the business site, okay? You need to set your primary button to either make appointment or call now. You need to add your keyword to the site headline. You need to add a keyword variation to the description. Use related terms in the summary header. Add a keyword optimized article to the summary description, and we can probably just scrape an article from somewhere for this purpose. A link to the brand's website if the GMB site is secondary, all local and niche related outbound links. Now the good thing is there is a video right here, okay, that you can watch, which takes you step by step on how to do each one of these things. Very simple. So if you need to, okay, watch that video, because that will give you everything you need to do. So this is important work that I'd like you to start on as soon as possible. I'll send you the complete logins, the files, everything. So you'll notice if you go into the logins page, you'll see there you go. There's the link to the GMB. All you simply need to do, obviously, is log into Google. Okay, there's the GMB login right there. See, GMB logins right there. So log into Google. Then from the upper, I'll just show you quickly if I can find it. Okay, see this? Google Apps. Click on that. Just go to My Business. Bang. You're straight in to the GMB site, which is this one here. Okay. So from here, you need to go into the info area. You need to go into posts, add posts, info. You need to add images, right? Basically. And then you need to just create the business site. Use a make appointment button. Make sure you link that make appointment button to the homepage URL. Put a headline in, description, put a big article in here, maybe with some links. Anyway, go and follow and read. Go and follow the instructions in that YouTube video that I've sent you. Do look at that in the GMB strategy tab. Watch this video, because that will tell you exactly how to do this. Okay, hope that all makes sense. Yeah, that should be all you need to get started, and everything's going to be laid out for you, Marie. So you should have everything you need to get cracking on this. Thanks very much. Bye now.